This is Slade McClendon with Sunbelt Fire. Today I'd like to share with you the newest purchase from Dupont. We would like to thank the Dupont and Mobile Fire Department for putting your faith and trust in Sunbelt Fire and E1 to build this apparatus to protect your facility. They have done a great job in laying out this particular design to protect the facility. The cab here is an International Navistar 4400 chassis here. Great design on the inside. I'll show you a little bit more on the other side. And this particular engine is the Max Force 330 horsepower. All of the lighting on the upper level lighting and lower level lighting is with Federal Signal lighting. Great setup and design there for them. I'd like to also just show you the actual body here. As you know, all the E1 bodies are made with the aluminum extrusions. It's an incredibly tough built body. They can put more payload in there. It's a lighter weight design, but it's actually stronger in how we have designed our bodies. There's no rusting type of issues that will actually come on to this particular body. Now this is what is really unique about this particular apparatus. They have a 1250 Q-Flow Hell pump. They also have a 1,000-gallon tank. 500 gallons is water. The other 500 gallons, which is a huge amount for foam, is the remaining part is foam. So they have the Williams ATP 1500 system. This means that this is an around the pump system. So every discharge on this particular apparatus has the capability to flow foam if they engage the system. It is extremely simple to use this particular system. It shows you the metering valves and then the operating instructions on the side here. If they would like to use the system, all they have to do is turn it on, then actually flip the system on. After they're finished with it, then they would flush the system out right there. So again, this will give you the setup of their particular pump system. They have the rescue style doors on this particular body. Now there's no equipment actually mounted in here, but you're going to see the depth and the size of the compartment if they wanted to mount particular types of equipment on there. You can see the actual over the wheel well, a lot of storage here as well for them. And then in the rear compartment, really neat design here, that it's a transverse compartment where they can put a load of equipment as well to help protect their facility. We'll take a look at the back here. That this is showing you a full-size height door here, and again, more access into the back. So if they wanted to mount any type of equipment or put more stuff in there, have a lot of room in here. Showing you the chevron striping and then their left rear discharge up, up off the top. Now, as we go over to the other side, there's actually capabilities on both sides for a booster rail, and I'll show you another aspect of that in a second. This is showing you the officer side. That you can obviously tell the ladder rack will be mounted here, and then showing you the depths of each of the compartments. With this being a truly foam dedicated type of a truck for their particular department, they have opted to use the TFT products with the bubble cups and the foam capability for what they have for their nozzles. TFT does a great job in just being able to create more and more technology for the firefighters as well as the foam capabilities. This is their front compartment, and you actually see a base stand. That is actually for the TFT Crossfire that is mounted in the deck gun. So if they would like to come in here and use this, they can just deploy this stand out, set it up on the ground, put their hoses in there, put that monitor up on top, and off they go and flow and foam. Now, as I was telling you earlier, that they actually have a booster reel on both sides, and that is capable of flowing foam as well. And you will see the reel rewind switch on both sides as well. Now, you might be looking at this going, what in the world is this thing? This is actually their foam pickup line as well. They have 500 gallons already on the tank for foam, but they actually have this particular reductor where they can come in with this attachment, hook it up to the side, and then deploy this into a basin, for whether it's a huge tank or for what have you, for where they have foam. So they will have plenty of capacity to flow foam, and just showing you another option for how they are pulling foam into the actual truck. Now, as you come into this side, this will just show you the amount of room and space that International has for the inside of their cab. All of this particular cab is wired and set up with the Firecom head systems, in the particular truck. We would like to thank again the Dupont Fire Department for allowing us to be able to work with them on their need to help protect the facility. If you would like more information about this particular apparatus or any of the other apparatus that we actually sell, please feel free to contact us at Sunbelt Fire. Thank you for what you do, and stay safe. Also, check us out on Facebook and Twitter at Sunbelt Fire.